Hi guys, I'm Ronnie. Welcome back to Screwshop, and today I'm going to be talking about our premium TurboQwik screws. TurboQwik screws are one of our own brands here at Screwshop. Our TurboQwik screws are our premium precision multi-purpose screw that offer high performance at a great price. TurboQwik screws have been designed for use in both soft and hardwoods, sheet-thin metals, and plastic. TurboQwik screws are a great choice for a variety of projects, including decks and patios, sheds and gazebos, cabinetry and furniture, framing and construction, and woodworking projects. So let's have a look at our TurboQwik screws. TurboQwik screws are a durable and reliable choice for any project. They are easy to drive and they hold their grip well. With premium zinc and yellow plating, TurboQwiks have been salt sprayed tested for up to 200 hours to ensure they are resistant to corrosion. TurboQwik features include double-countersunk reinforced head for reduced breakage with 6 reaming ribs for perfect countersinking with no burns. Sawfix serrated thread to avoid splitting with a high-pitched thread form for extra quick drilling. An oblique angle gash point for a greater pull. It drives faster and eliminates the need for pre-drilling. Available in multiple lengths and diameters, available direct from Screwshop. TurboQwik are available in both Posi and Torx head. If you're looking for a premium wood screw, head over to www.screwshop.co.uk to check out our TurboQwik range. I've been Ronnie, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.
TurboQwik, all the trade uses TurboQwik. Your dad uses TurboQwik, the only screws in town.